Yay, good. Uh-huh. Adobe, tell me, introduce yourself. Wolo akwụkwọ ahịrịokwu na-abụ anyị mụrụ ụnyaa. Gwa m, kọwalụ m onwe gị. Ngwa.
Aha m bụ Adaobi Nwanso. Ebi m na Lagos steeti.
Kụpụrụ na Adaobi aka, kụpụrụ na aka, kụpụrụ na aka, kụpụrụ na aka. Adaobi, ndeewo, ndeewo rinne. Obi dị anyị aṅụrị ịfụ gị, Adaobi, nnọọ. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-akọwara anyị onwe ya? Kedu onye ọzọ? Kedu onye ọzọ ga-akọwara anyị onwe ya? Who else can introduce themselves? That's what I said. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-akọwara anyị onwe ya? Who else can introduce themselves? Obinasam, let's hear you. Obinasam, unmute yourself and let's hear you. Introduce yourself in the 2 sentences we learned yesterday.
Obinasam, David Nato. Ebina, Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Amazing. Biko kupuru na Obinasam aka, kupuru ni aka. Obinasam ndewo, no. Good. All right, Chiamaka, kọwara anyị onwe gị nwa.
Aha m bụ Chiamaka. Me na Dubai.
Ebi m na Dubai. Biko kupuru na Chiamaka aka. Ndewo, ezigbo nwa. Daalụ.
I forgot.
Good. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-akọwara anyị onwe ya? Ihe nna mere mụ. Ngwa, nna kọwara anyị onwe gị. Introduce yourself. Unmute yourself. I'm asking you to unmute. Unmute yourself and ngwa kọwara anyị onwe gị, nna.
Bụ ihe na mere. Sorry, I actually got confused.
Ihe nna mere mụ. Gwa m ebe ibi.
Can I first practice it first?
Ihe nna mere mụ ebe ibi.
Aha bụ ihe na ebi na Southampton.
Ezigbo nwa. Biko kọọrọ na ihe nna mere m aka. Kọọrọ na ya aka. Kọọrọ na ya aka. Ezigbo nwa. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agwa anyị? Kedu onye ọzọ? Chimdimma. My God is good. Oya, kọwara anyị onwe gị, mommy.
Aha m bụ Chimdimma Okeke Nora. M bi na USA.
Ezigbo nwa. Biko kọpụrụ unu Chimdimma aka. Kọpụrụ unu Chimdimma aka. Hey, see Ikolise is here. Ikolise ngwa. Ikolise kọwalụ m onwe gị. Ikolise kọwalụ m onwe gị. Ikolise, okay, sorry. Oya, unmute yourself. Ikolise ngwa kọwalụ m onwe gị. Introduce yourself, Ikolise. Anytime you hear Coach Wally say kọwaa onwe gị means introduce yourself. All right, let's hear you.
I want to show you something. Aha m bụ Ikolise. Adị m afọ 8.
Biko kọọlụ na Ikolise aka, kọọlụ na aka. Ọ dị mma, Ikolise, afụ m na nwanne gị nwaanyị so gị nọla ebe a. Ngwa, introduce yourself. Ikolise's sister, Ngwa. Your screen is making me, I'm not seeing you. Your background is making me, I'm not seeing your sister.
George changed that. I don't know. Agriculture.
Culture. Okay, biko kọrọ ni aka. Amazing, amazing. Ọ dị mma. Let us always, Sochikaima, let's hear you, my darling. Ngwa.
Aham bụ Sochikaima. Ebi na Canada.
Hey, Sochikaima, biko kọrọ Sochikaima aka. Good, 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 good. Chimemelie, biko gwanụ m aha gị, kọwalụ m onwe gị nna.
Chimemelie, ebi na Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Biko kọrọ Chimemelie aka, kọlụ aka, kụnaka. Okay, Mamachi, let's hear you. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let me unmute you.
Aham bụ Mamachi Edema. Ebi na USA.
Biko kọrọ Mamachi aka, kọrọ aka. Good, 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 good. Okay, before we go into revise ihe anyị mere yesterday, achọrọ m add 2 more sentences to what you have today. Anyị amụtago etu esi ekwu aha m bụ. Anyị amụtago etu esi ekwu ebi m na. Now, we are going to learn 2 more sentences to add to that. Look at the chat box. I hope you all have your notes. You are going to write. If you have not written ahambo before, write it. If you have not written ebimna before, write it. Now, we are going to ask, abum onye. Who knows what that means? Abum onye. Who knows what abum onye? If you know what abum onye means, raise your hand. Abum onye. Chimdimma, ngwa, raise your hand. I'm not seeing your face, so Chimdimma. Abum onye. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Chiamaka, please help me write in the chat box for those who weren't here yesterday, the 2 sentences we learned. Do you understand? Awesome, good. All right, abum onye. Chimdimma, ngwa gwa anyị ihe ọ pụtara. Okay.
Ngwakwu.
Abim na USA.
No, abum onye. Ka ihe o mean in English? Abum onye. Ebube, ka ihe o mean in English?
Abum onye. I am from.
Biko kụpụrụnụ aka. I am from. All right, look at it at the chat box. I've written it down for you. Everybody go to the chat box and write. Abum onye, which means I am from. Everybody writing your notes. And when you are done, give me a thumbs up. So Chikaima, are you writing? Go to the chat box and see what you should write. That's the 3rd sentence. Because before the class ends today, I'm going to get you to recite the 4 sentences. So the 3rd sentence is abum onye. Chiamaka has helped us to write the first one, and she's also going to help us to write the second one. Ebimna. Now I'm going to write the fourth one. Adem Afo. Who knows what that is? Adem Afo. Who knows what Adem Afo mean? What does Adem Afo? Kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Nna ịma ihe nna mere m ịma. Kedu ihe bụ Adem Afo? What does that mean in English? Adem Afo. Nna ịma. Ihe nna mere m, what does it mean? Adem Afo. Do you know? Okay, who is going to help us? Adem Afo. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ Adem Afo? Kedu onye ga-agwa m Adem Afo? Adaobi, kedu ihe bụ Adem Afo? Ikolise. I'm expecting you to answer this question. Oya, answer it, Ikolise. Adem Afo pụtara gịnị na bekee?
I am, for example, I am Asato years old.
Good. I am so years old. Very good. Please clap for my son. Nicole says, awesome. I am dash years old. That's what it means. Adem Afo. Now we're going to be intentional now. We're going to, most of us here fall between the numbers 5 to 9. But I'm not going to write it for you. Just write it there. Adem Afo. Just put dash there. Don't put anything. Because today, we're going to learn numbers. And so when we finish learning numbers, I will come back and I'll ask you to write the full sentences. How many of us understood what I just said? Very good. All right. So we now have 4 sentences to work with when we want to introduce ourselves. Okay, I'm going to call everybody. Have your worksheet handy. You're going to recite ABCD. ABCD was what we did yesterday. We're going to recite it before we go to our numbers today. Very good, Mamachi. I'm proud of you. Thank you for having your worksheet ready. Great. Okay, open up your worksheets, ABCD worksheets, and let us recite ABCD. If you're ready, tell me, Coach Nani, give me thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I can see them. Oh, my champions. We're going to recite ABCD Igbo. So when I call you, you tell me your name, introduce yourself with the 2 sentences we have learned today. And 2 sentences we have, and you now tell me, you now recite the ABCD Igbo, okay? Who is ready to start? Okay, we're going to take numbers. We're going to take numbers. Everybody take a number, take a number. Write your name and take 1 number. Write your name and take 1 number. Good. Now let's start. Who is going to be our leader today? Okay, Evelyn is 1, Chamaka is 2, so Chikaima is 3. Everybody pick your number, write your name and pick your number. I'll call you and you tell me, introduce yourself and recite the alphabet from your worksheets. Good, good, good. Everybody, are we ready? Paula 8. Mama Chifo. Mama Chifo. Ikolise 9. We don't have 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7. Who is speaking 5? Who is speaking 5? Okay. Obinasom, pick 5. Write your name in the chat and pick 5. Chimemelie, you pick 6. Ihenamere, you pick 7. Okay? So whenever you hear 7, Ihenamere, you answer. Chimdemma, somebody has picked 8. 7 and 8 have been picked. 5, 6, and 7. Obinasom, Chimemelie 7. Obinasom 6. Right. No, Obinasom 5. Chimemelie 6. Ihenamere 7. Paula 8. Ikolise 9. Chimdemma, you picked 10, okay? Somebody has picked 8 already. All right, let's go. Everybody pay attention. This is time to learn. Evelyn, ngwa, unmute yourself. Kọwala anyị onwe gị. Lotekwa ihe ị ga-eme bụ kọwala anyị onwe gị. Welu ahịrịokwu na abụọ. The 2 sentences we've learned, or you can add the 3rd one, or if you know the 4th one, that's fine. You add them and recite ABCD Igbo. Recite to the much you can. Okay? Mistakes are allowed. We are learning. All right? Let's go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Adobe, you didn't introduce yourself. We said bidogodi with nkọwa onwe gị. Ịkọwa onwe gị egozie ABCD Igbo. Ngwa, ka anyị bidokwa n'isi nne. Let's go.
A, B, C.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Kọwaa onwe gị, Adaobi.
Aha m bụ Evelyn Adaobi Nwanso. Ebi m na Lagos Steeti. Abụ m onye Abia Steeti. Adị m afọ 8 years. Adị m afọ 8.
Okay. Ngwa gụọrọ anyị ABCD Igbo. Ngwa.
A, B, C, D. F, F, G, B, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, K, Q, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, O, V,
Nwe. Yizi.
Yizi.
Kọrọ na Adaobi aka. Kọrọ na aka. Adaobi ịgbani well. Adaobi, achọrọ m onye ọbụla ga-adị na-agụ from worksheet ya. Achọrọ m ka ị na-agụ ya from your worksheet. I want to see you lift your worksheet and recite from your worksheet. Don't look at anybody. And like I said, mistakes are okay. All right, we are learning. I need to know how much you know. So don't look at anybody or anything. Just carry your worksheet and recite it with joy, okay?
Daddy,
And
I've not printed my worksheets.
but you were writing in your notebook yesterday, so feel free to use that. Again, let me share it on the screen. Why I'm saying read from your worksheet is that I want you to I want to encourage you to write, because when you write and you recite, learning happens. If we miss any of those, you have not really grasped it. All right. Number 2, remember, kọwaa onwe gị, buru ụzọ kọwaa onwe gị. First, introduce yourself, then you carry your worksheet and you recite the alphabet. All right? Okay. Number 2.
Aha m bụ Chiamaka. Ehi mi na Dubai. Abụ mi na Abina. Adị mi afọ 8. A B C D E F G B B W C E E G C sheep we li me ni ni we na u e p p re pe p p ru ru re we e z easy.
Biko kụọrụnụ ya aka, kụọrụnụ ya aka, kụọrụnụ ya aka, kụọrụnụ Chiamaka aka. Chiamaka, daalụ rinne, imela ọfụma, daalụ, daalụ. Good. All right. Number 3. Well done, Chiamaka. Number 3. Kedu onye nke ịtọ? Sachikaima. Let's go.
Aha m bụ Sochikalma, ebi na Canada. Abụ m onye Anambra. Adị m afọ 6.
Yay.
ABCDEF GJKK L O R P R T U V W E Z.
Biko kụọrụnụ nwa m aka, kụọrụnụ ya aka. Come on. Sochikalma kọwara anyị onwe ya with ahịrịokwu anọ. Amazing, amazing, awesome. Now, ifugo ya, anyị na-practice ya, anyị na-amụta Igbo. Very good. Enwere egwu m ga-agụrụ na egwu alphabet. Anyị ga-afụ ka esi agụ Igbo. Ịafụ na ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Ọ dị mma. Number 4. Kedu onye bụ onye nke anọ? Mamachi. Is that Mamachi? Yep. Let's hear you.
Bụ Mamachi. Adị m afọ 8. Abụ m onye Benue State. Adị m na USA.
Okay.
Amazing. Biko kụọrụnụ nwa m aka, kụọrụnụ ya aka. Come on, Mamachi. Awesome. I love that. I love that. I love the effort. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Imela ọfụma. Ọ dị mma. Onye nke ise. Obi na-asọ m. Obi na-asọ m. Oh yeah, let's hear you. Obi na-asọ m.
ABCD. Fe. Ge.
Obi na, continue. You're doing great. Jisike, Jisike. Don't look at anybody. Look at your book. Look at your worksheet. Open it. Or get your Umuoma book. You see all of them in one page. Then you read, okay? You are doing great. You have gone to F, A, G. Oh yeah, continue.
E. J.
Good.
E.
Kwe. That's fine. Biko ka anyị kọrọ obi na asọ m aka, kọrọ ni aka. Kọrọ ni aka. Don't worry. We'll get there one day at a time, okay? Ọ dị mma. Chimemelie. Ngwa, let's hear you. Introduce yourself first. Don't forget. Ngwa.
Ahabo Chimemelia Ebina Dayton, Ohio, USA. Ave che de e pe ye u you
Okay. Le. Ọ dị mma ka ọlụ na Chimemelie aka. Good try. I love that. Kọlụ ni aka, kọlụ ni aka. Very good. We keep practicing until we get, until we get it right, okay? That's fine. I love the effort. Chimemelie, good job. Ọ dị mma. Number 7. Ihe nna mere mụ. Let's go. Ihe nna mere mụ ya. Introduce yourself. Let's go. Paula and Nicolis, I hope you are getting ready. After Ihenna Merem, that will be you. Nangwa, let's hear you. Ihenna Merem Oginzi. Unmute yourself. Let's hear you.
Humble. Adam.
Go and sit down.
Humble. Humble. I didn't know. Come back.
Ebimna.
Ebina, Southampton. Southampton.
Okay. Ngwa B.
I know somewhere. I'll check first. Let's check it. Yeah. E T D E. I'm trying to say B C D E B B D D G.
Wiggy. Amazing. Biko kọrọ na ihe nna mere m aka. Good try. I love that. Ihe nna mere m knows the music. Amazing. All right. Number 8. Paula. Let's hear you. Unmute yourself. Let's hear you. Introduce yourself. Recite the alphabets as much as you can remember.
You're unmuted already.
I know.
Just do it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Ahamba Hula. Ebim Nas Southampton, UK. Abum Onye Delta State. Adim Afo A EC. A B Chi D E C G B C.
Amazing. I love that. Paula. Come on. I love that. Thank you. Thank you. Lalorine. All right. Ike Olise. Let's hear you.
Why do you just keep going to that one?
Ahambo Kelise. Adim Afo Asato. Abum Onye Delta State, Nigeria. Ebim na Southampton, UK. A B C D E F G B B G Gwen He E E J K B P P P Queen Le Me Ni Ni Nui Ni O P R C She T U O V W N Y Z. Was it muted?
Yes, Coach Lonnie is muted.
I'm sorry. Amazing. That's an Umuoma champion. Come on. Amazing. Oh, Kolise, well done. Iwaka, imelo fuma. Okay, Team Dema. Let's go.
So I'm not.
Yeah.
No, no.
Abu.
Chidimma, kọwakwa onwe gị, bulu ụzọ kọwaa onwe gị wee gụbazie.
Aha gị.
Aha m bụ Chindinma Okeke Nora.
Ebinna.
Abị m na USA.
Adị m
Adị m ise.
afọ ise.
Afọ ise.
Ọbụazị abịdị. Kwụsị okwu ike. Wait.
B.
Dada, wete mụ.
Ihe na-agụ. Na-ekwuchi ha lee na-agụ.
Ni.
Mommy, I want it.
Ike na iwetele.
I want it.
One kwodi bonga. Agụchago.
Ịgụchago Chimdimma. Ngwa kọrọnụ Chimdimma aka. Good, good, good. Amazing. Mommy, debe Chimdimma camera ka anyị na-afụ ya. Ọ dị mma. Good, good, good. I think anyị agụchago. Everybody agụchago. Now, let's watch this small recitation. Let's watch it. Can we all see my screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. All right. Let me know if you can hear me. Can you all hear it? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Good. Everybody listen, listen, listen. Let's enjoy Abechidi Igbo. All right. Did you enjoy that? How many of us enjoyed that? Did you enjoy that? Can you see Abichidibo is so easy? How many of us can see it's easy? Are you seeing it? It's so easy and fun. All right. So that's how we are going to be learning our Abichidibo. We'll write it, we'll recite it. We'll write it and we'll sing it. We'll write it and we'll sing it until we're able to spell all our words correctly. Amazing. All right, so today we are going to jump into numbers. Remember I said we are going to study numbers so that you can remember how to say your numbers. Some of us said, Adam for 8 years. No worries. Today you will know how to replace that 8 years with your Igbo number. Okay, open up your Umuredemede book and we'll be able to see how to recite 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can you see my screen? Okay, so go to your Umuredemede book. Way down there, you will see your numbers. We're going to do our numbers now. Numbers. Igbo, we call numbers ọnụọgụgụ. Everybody say ọnụọgụgụ. Everybody say ọnụọgụgụ. I'm not seeing your mouth moving. Say ọnụọgụgụ. Ọnụọgụgụ. Good. That's how we call numbers. Now, efu. Efu means 0. Everybody say efu. Efu. Again. Efu. Remember, after this time, we are going to what's going on? Efu. So I'm going to be able to see I'm going to ask you to recite the number. So no, 0, efu. Everybody say 0, efu. Can you all see my screen? Thumbs up. Because we are learning, everybody is muted. But I want to see your mouth moving as I'm reciting it. Coach Noni will say the number in English, I'll say it in Igbo. I want you to say the same, okay? I'm watching your mouth to see that you are saying it, but I don't want us to be rowdy. All right? Okay. Efu, 0. Everybody? Okay, I'm going to unmute 3 people that I see that are actually doing this, so that they are the ones that will be. I'm unmuting Chimemele. I'm unmuting Chiamaka. When I see those that are participating, I'll unmute them. Okay. Efu, 0.
Efu, 0.
Very good. Otu, 1.
Otu, 1.
Abụọ, 2.
Abụọ, 2.
Okay, I'm unmuting Mamachi. Atọ, 3.
Atọ, 3.
Anọ, 4.
Anọ, 4.
Okay, I'm unmuting Ihenna Mary. Ise, 5.
Ise, 5.
Okay, I'm unmuting Iko Lise. Asa, 7.
Asa, 7.
I'm unmuting Obinasom. Asatọ, 8.
Asatọ, 8.
Good, I'm unmuting Sochikaima. Itolu, 9.
Itolu, 9.
I'm not seeing your face, so I'm only seeing your head. That's why I've not seen you. Chimdema, I'm not seeing your face. Put your hair. Very good. I want to be, because I'm only unmuting those that I'm seeing participating. Why did we stop? Can I buy pussy?
Nine.
Aha! Good. Good. It shows they are paying attention. Adema, I'm giving you 9. Itolu 9.
Itolu.
Okay, I'm unmuting Chimdema and I'm unmuting Soma. Iri 10. Okay, I'm going to go back now from 0 to 10. F 0. O to 1. Abo 2. I want to be seeing the numbers on your fingers. So each number I call, show me the number with your fingers.
Look at the screen.
Ato 3. Adobe, I'm unmuting you now. Good. Ano 4. Ise 5. Isi 6. Asa 7. Asato 8. Itolu 9. Iri 10. Oh, Iri 10. Oh, Iri 10. I don't know why. Amazing.
Okay, what if we do like this? We see each other.
Mmadụ one ma one ka ha dị.
We can't see each other like this.
Ọ bụrụ na Coach Nolly dị afọ 10, Coach Nolly ga-asị adị m afọ 10 because anyị amụtago numbers anyị. Abi? So aga m ajụ unu afọ ole ka ị dị? Mmammachi, afọ ole ka ị dị?
No.
Okay. Asatọ 8. Okay. Now I'm going to call us according to our numbers. Remember our numbers. If I call you 1, you are going to tell me your name. Introduce yourself with your name. Ebibi ahambo ebimna. So if you are from Anambra, if you are from anywhere you are from, any state of the country, any state of Nigeria you are from, you tell me I am Abum Onye, like Coach Noni will say Abum Onye Anambra State. So then if I'm 10 years old, I will now say Adem Afo Iri. So you say these 4 sentences, then you recite Efu, Otu, Abo, Ato, Ano, Ise, Isi, Asa, Asato, Itolu, Iri. Are you all still seeing my screen? Are you all still seeing my screen?
Yes.
So good. You are going to recite it from the screen. So I don't need you to cram it. Okay. So I said, if I call you number 1 is Adobe. I'll say number 1. Adobe will come and say, Ahambo Adobe. Ebim na Ugwayebobi. Abum Onye. Adem Afo. Otu. And she will use her hand. Otu. Abo. Ato. Ano. Ise. Isi. asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. And we'll all clap for her. Are we game? Are we game? Good. All right. Onye nke mbụ, Adaobi, let's go.
Aha m bụ Evelyn Adaobi Princess Nwanzuo. Ebi m na Lagos State. Abụ m onye Abia State. Edi m afọ 9 0 1 1 2 2 abụọ 3 atọ 4 anọ 5 ise 6 isii 7 asaa 8 asatọ 9 itoolu 10 iri.
Biko kụọrọ na Adaobi aka. Adaobi, ndewo, ị mere ọfụma. Good job. Okay, onye nke abụọ. Onye nke abụọ.
Aha m bụ Chiamaka. Ehi mi na Abia State. Abia State. Abum mi one.
Ebim na is where you live.
Oh.
Ebe ka ị bi?
I
Ebim na.
got confused.
Yeah.
Ebina Dubai.
Okay.
Abu mi oni Abia State.
Okay.
Adi mi ofu asato. Otu abo ato ano ise asat ise two.
Look at the screen. Are you seeing the screen? Asa 7.
Asa
Taking 2 moves.
ato ata
Asato.
asato
Good.
Introduce yourself.
Itoolu.
otolu iri.
Good. Biko kọọrọ Chiamaka aka. Chiamaka, ị mere ọfụma, daalụ rinne. Ọ dị mma, onye nke atọ. Onye nke atọ. Sochikaima. Let's go.
Aha m bụ Sochikaima. Ebi na Canada. Adị m onye afọ 6.
Adị m afọ 6.
Adị m afọ 6.
Abụ m onye.
Abụ m onye Anambra Steeti. Ofu atọ abụọ atọ anọ ise isii asaa asatọ itoolu iri.
Kọọrọ Sochikaima aka, ezigbo nwa, ị mere ọfụma. Okay, number 4. Is it 4 or 5? Onye nke anọ 4. Okay, yeah, mama chịọ ya.
Mamachi adị m afọ asatọ. Ebu m onye Benue State. Ebi m na USA. Alabama, USA. If 0 ifo 1 atọ
2 abo, 3 ato, 4 ano, 5 isi, 6 ise, 7 asa, 8 asato, 9 ilo, ilo,
Itoolu.
itoolu, 10 ire, iri.
Biko kọrọnụ mmammachi aka, mmammachi mere ọfụma. Very good. Okay, number 5. Obi na-asọ m. Ọkwa obi na-asọ m bụ number 5.
Sambo, Obrasam, David Neto.
Nna tinye vidio gị on, o? Ngwa.
Ibina, Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Okay, ngwa gụọrọ anyị ọnụọgụgụ taa. Efu, 0. Yeah, let's go.
Efu,
0. Now continue. Efu, 0. You know it. Ngwa, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Efu, 0. 1. Otu. Let's
1
go.
or 2, 2,
Abụọ.
abo, 3,
Now, are you seeing the screen? Are you seeing the screen? Are you seeing my? Okay. Are you able to read 3, atọ, 4, anọ? Are you able to do that?
no.
Okay, no worries. It's fine. We take our time, okay? Very good. I love your trying. Good, good, good. All right. The next person should be Chimemelie.
Chibabaki is not 6, he's 10.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my neck.
Chimemelie, can you hear me? Can you hear Chimemelie? I can't hear him.
I can yes hear me, maybe, but it's not. You have not started.
0, F, 1, two, 1,
1, otu.
two,
Mm-hmm.
2, abo,
Mm-hmm.
3, atu, 4,
Mm-hmm.
anu, 5, isa, 6, isi, 7, asa, 8, asa, 2, 9, itoolu, 10, ire.
Biko kụpụrụnụ Chimemelie aka, kụpụrụnụ ya aka, kụpụrụnụ ya aka. Ezigbo nwa, emela ọfụma. Very good. Ọ dị mma. Onye nke na-esi ya, ihe nna mere, ngwa. Introduce yourself and read your numbers.
Okay. Okay. Aham bu ihe labara
Na ihe nna mere ngwa gụwakwanụ.
Okay.
Otu, efu,
Otu, efu,
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 0,
0,
otu.
41.
Mhm.
Hang on, I can't. Could you pause? I'm just getting something. It's there. Otu, 1, efu, 0, otu, 1.
Otu, 1. Abụọ, 2.
Abụọ, 2.
Abụọ,
Atọ, 3.
anọ,
Anọ, 4.
Mhm.
Isi, 5.
Uh-huh.
Isi.
asaa,
Asa,
7.
6. Asa, no, asa. No,
7.
no, after 6. After 6. After 6.
Isii,
Isi, 6.
Asa.
And asa, 7.
asatọ,
Asato, 8.
itoolu,
10.
iri, 10.
Iri, 10.
Ihe nna mere imela ọfụma. Ngwa kọrọ na ihe nna mere m aka. Good job. As we practice more, we'll know more, okay? Can we all see my screen? This is our worksheet for today. So we have learned ọnụọgụgụ efu wee ruo na iri. So when you print your worksheet, I want you to fill the missing numbers, okay?
Ma, but we have the book, so it'll be like people will be copying from their book.
Yes, copy from it is okay. All right? As you are writing, it means that you are learning it and you are going to be better. Because tomorrow, we'll do 11 to 20 before we now go into what we'll learn for tomorrow. All right? So use your Umuoma book and fill up your worksheets. All right? Any questions? Nwere ajụjụ? Any question?
Iri atọ na
You didn't allow us speak.
Oh, my darling, forgive me. Oh, sorry. Biko, ngwa.
No.
Ngwa, kọwaa onwe gị, biko. Iwe ewena gị. Biko, ngwa.
Aha m bụ Chidimma Okekenara. Dị ise.
Okay.
Bụ from Enugu State.
Abụ m onye Enugu Steeti.
Abụ m onye Enugu State.
Okay.
Leave it.
Ofu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri.
Ah, nke a masta. Afa ga-abụ Chimdimma. Gịwa bụ masta. Ọ dị mma, biko kụọrọ nwanne Chimdimma aka. Kụọrọ ya aka. Good. Okay, nwere ajụjụ? Any questions before we sign out? I hope we are practicing our spelling bee. I have a big prize for the winners. So are we practicing?
I'm gonna be the winner.
Okay. Please practice.
Brother.
Eh?
My big brother.
Okay.
First step, you have to
Okay.
trust it.
All right. Can you hear that, Coach Noni? Okay, Chiamaka, nwere ajụjụ?
I have a question.
All right, Chiamaka, ask me your question.
I don't have the book, so where do I figure out how to spell the numbers?
Okay, very good question. I'll talk to your mom, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Question.
I'll talk to your mom.
have a question.
Chimemelia, ask your question, Nuna.
Is there going to be another Igbo class next week?
Oh, yes. but we're not doing it every day. We'll be meeting once a week on Saturdays, and we'll have voice notes. Coach Noni will give you an assignment on the group, and you'll be able to do it. Okay? But we'll be meeting like this every Saturday from next week. This week only, we'll just be doing.
My mom did not used to say the link. I used to use the link from like Monday to join the group.
Your mom did? Okay, but I think she told me she has started seeing the link now. All right. Okay, Chimdemba, do you have a question here?
What's your question? Are we going to in a spelling bee, do you have to spell the words?
Yes, you will spell the word. So the judge will ask you super ada, and you will say A-D-A, ada, not
And
A-D-A.
I'm her big brother. I'm Chidema's big brother.
Yeah, I can see that. So you can participate in the spelling bee. Chidema, prepare your sister for the spelling bee.
Okay.
All right. What do we say to Coach Noni? Oh, Mama, you have a question.
Question.
Please ask.
What is the prize gonna be?
Oh, just try and you will see it's a beautiful prize. Trust Coach Noni.
I have another question.
Uh-huh.
A very beautiful.
Which question?
Me.
If you want to say I have a question, you tell me, Coach Noni, enwere m ajụjụ. Everybody say it, Coach Noni, enwere m ajụjụ.
Coach Nani.
Enwere ajụjụ. Okay, kedu onye nwere ajụjụ?
Honey, I have a question.
Ọ bụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, renie aka gị elu. Okay, Chimemelie, kedu ajụjụ gị? What's your question?
So after day one, like when the first time, but you had two closets, like you have a first one and then another one.
That will be for the senior people, those that are the older class. That one is not for you. This one is for you, okay? Any other question? All right. Chiamaka, you have question. You want ajụjụ?
How would you give us the gift when we're in a meet?
Don't worry yourself. Practice the spelling bee first. When you practice, tomorrow
Spelling is on Saturday.
the spelling bee is on Saturday. Just keep practicing. How many of us have printed the word bank so that you can be practicing? All right. What do you say to Coach Noni? We have another class. You got to run. Dalo, Kemesia.
Dalo,